Greetings, crystal lovers. Queen Bee here, and I will be doing an unboxing today for a company called BEAD Box Bargains. They sell natural crystal beads, glass beads, findings, and not for a bad price. This whole thing cost me $46.96. And it was because they were having a really good Memorial Day sale. It's a company based out in Tennessee, and I will put a link in the description for those who would like to maybe look for themselves and see what it's about. I like one of their, they have a subscription where you can order $60 worth of beads for about 22 bucks. So I haven't done that yet, but that'll kind of keep me in the unboxing thing for you all, at least with this company. But yeah, I just first time I bought from them, and I just figured I'd give it a shot. So let's get to unbagging. I ordered something called the Mayflower 2 package, and also their April Showers package. Originally they were both about $32 a piece, but they were originally actually a lot more, but they were on sale, so I bought them on sale on a sale. So, I mean, not a bad deal, really. So we'll open the April Shower one first. It's kind of got more silver and kind of grayer tones, just because of the name. So, but the quality is pretty good for the price. These are Amazonite. And all of their findings are stainless steel, or they label them, so if you are allergic to certain things, you can order different things. So, which is kind of a nice feature. Kind of pretty. And some lengths are about 15 inches, some are 7, which is the kind of average of this. This is some more Amazonite. And come in some pretty bags. Alright. And some more crystal glass. Those are really pretty. Sparkly. But, I mean, it gives you some good ideas for jewelry making if you enjoy that kind of thing like I do, which I do. These are cloud findings, so definitely has a lot of potential and can make a lot of pretty things for people to either buy or for you to enjoy yourself. So oh, these are neat. Yeah, so quite a few things. Like I said, that is their card. You might not see it too well, but I'll make sure the link is in the description, like I said. But yeah, the name of it again is their Bead Box Bargains, and I'm pleasantly surprised. I mean, it's the first time I bought with them, and they seem to have good quality. Yeah, really good. Everything's wrapped real nice, nothing's broken. So, lots of cool things. And just a lot of different variety. So, and this one was the Mayflower one. So, we will let that out of the bag. And take a look and see. Those look like agates that are dyed, but pretty. And these are really, really neat. These are painted on, they almost look like teacups. on porcelain. Really pretty. Some small beads. Some more small beads. And yeah. So this is kind of the nice thing with this one. Piece of amethyst and a nice finding. So like a definitely nice central piece to any necklace, I would think. So, and just, I'll say that I'm pleasantly surprised. I figured the price was going to reflect on the quality of the product, but they're true to their word. Really nice things for not a lot of money. And this day and age, the cheaper we can go, the better. This is some nice amethyst. Anyway, so like I said, bead box bargains. Go check them out. And you know, if you're not too picky about what you get, you know, it gives you a reason to create around what's sent to you. You gotta bloom where you're planted on this one, because you have to make the best of what you got, like so many people need to do and must do these days. But be that as it said, doesn't mean beauty doesn't come out of it. Anyway, that was my freebie. I'm not sure what they are, but they are very pretty, very different. So yeah, there it is. We have a subscription box too program. Get over $60 worth of beads for $22.99 a month at www.bargainbeadsbox.com. So yeah. So if you just need a pleasant surprise for not a lot of money every month, just to cheer you up, I would highly recommend. And that being said, this is Queen Bee signing off for now. Thanks for stopping by. Bye.